Captured stunning shots with your GoPro and now have GPR files demanding more editing power than JPEG offers? These are your ticket to professional quality results. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to process GoPro RAW images. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade GPR file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. This file is a raw photo captured by a GoPro camera, typically in photo, burst, or time lapse mode. Users search for this to access the unprocessed sensor data, which allows for maximum flexibility in post-production for adjusting exposure, white balance, and color without quality loss, unlike a standard JPG. The GPR format is based on Adobe's DNG, Digital Negative Standard, embedding raw sensor data in a non-destructive container. GoPro chose this approach to ensure broad compatibility with professional photo editing software, while providing photographers with the full dynamic range and color depth captured by the camera's sensor. The core professional tool for handling the GPR format is Adobe Lightroom from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows can't render full dynamic range, making RAW processors essential for proper editing. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the GPR file and hit Open With. Launch it using Adobe Lightroom if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. If you still cannot open your GPR file, that is okay. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, opening in Lightroom. Import GPR files into Adobe Lightroom. Classic using File, then import photos and video. Lightroom recognizes the DNG-based format and provides full RAW editing controls. Apply lens correction, camera matching profiles and creative adjustments, preserving the original sensor data for non-destructive editing throughout your photo workflow. Next, using GoPro Player. Download GoPro Player or GoPro Quick from GoPro.com for native GPR support with GoPro optimized processing. The official software applies camera match profiles and corrections automatically. Export edited images to JPEG or TIFF for final output, while retaining the original GPR file for future reprocessing with updated software versions. Finally, converting to standard DNG. Process GPR files in Adobe Camera Raw or Capture One, which read the underlying DNG structure. For broader compatibility, convert GPR to standard DNG using Adobe DNG Converter, ensuring usability with any RAW-aware photo editor. This preserves all sensor data while removing GoPro-specific extensions for maximum software compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.